I am in front of the heritage. I'm going to explore Cebu City, but I have just, I think, 2 hours or maybe even less, so it's going to be really quick tour. But one thing, we actually tried a white taxi, and it is cheaper than a Grab. It was actually the half price compared to Grab. So definitely try white taxis because they are cheaper than Grabs. You can come inside here and check it. It is open 24/7, so anytime, any day. This is actually series of sculptures commemorating important events here in Cebu. And from this we actually took a taxi here, and from this you can walk down and there is more monuments. Everything is nearby from this point. Okay, so let's go and continue the tour down there. This is another monument. It's nearby of sculptures. It's not really easy to walk around because they are doing some work here. Yes, this is also Cebu City. Hello. To be honest, compared to Manila, I think Cebu City is more chaotic. At least I feel like that, and it's more polluted, more dirty. This is Archdiocesan Museum of Cebu. I'm going to check how much is the entrance and we might go inside. Hello! So the entrance was just 100 pesos. We're starting here in Chapel, and then it has 2 more space to visit plus garden. Even if you are not in any religion, it's really nice buildings, so you can see nice architecture here. And this is a church or basilica. I will go there later. In this area, actually, you can find so many basilicas, churches. Filipinos people, they are really religious. I think 90% or 85% of Filipinos are Catholics. But what I really love about Filipinos people, even though they are religious, they tolerate everyone. Like, doesn't matter about color, orientation, like nothing is an issue. They understand everybody and tolerate everyone. Nice. Hello. Oh, it's really quiet here actually. Wow. It is famous because of the gold altar in front of me. And here outside is a really nice garden. And you can pray there as well. Most of the monuments here in Cebu City are connected to religion. We are going to another church nearby. In this location you have like, thank you, you have like 3 or 4 churches next to each other. You can buy some souvenirs here if you want. is Minor Basilica of Holy Child of Cebu. I will try to go there, follow locals, go with locals, go with locals. Yes. They actually have dress code here, so we can't go inside because we have shorts. So just from this. Alright, at least you will know. Here is one more church. I'm going to check if I can go inside there. So many people are selling candles here. Okay, it looks like it's just one church with two parts and we can't go there, but that's fine. We are going to see some cross. You can buy some souvenirs over there. This looks actually like pretty nice area. And in front of me is the cross. It is Magellan's cross, and it's again part of Spanish history here in Philippines. And it is actually a symbol of start of Christianity here in Philippines. Over there is City Hall. Here is the cross. Here is the information about the Magellan's cross. Oh, it's actually from 1521. Wow, it's really old. Beautiful. I am going to Carbon Market. It's going to be my last stop here in Cebu City. It's really hot and humid, so I need to take a shower before I go to airport and fly to my last spot here in Philippines. Carbon Market, it looks really nice on the picture, so hopefully it's going to be true. From picture I saw I can buy there some fresh fruit, some souvenirs. Let's go to other side.
Bila hatag? Ha?
Try this side. Busy, busy. Thank you.
Nasaan dyan Santo Niño? Tukong siya. Awa.
You can buy here all kind of food, and I really love this lifestyle. We bought some nuts for 35 pesos. We will try that later. And Rad, he bought something like this. I don't know what
The
is it.
pork scratches, deep fried.
We will try that later on. I don't eat bananas, so Rad is testing that. Is it good?
Very good. Different taste to the normal bananas, which you can buy in a shop, but still very tasty.
Is it sweet?
Very sweet.
Good.